very lucrative side hustle.
Sure.
Or even you can even make it full time. Personally, I don't do that.
Yeah. You don't do that. Now, next move is what she is. What she is doing is what she's going to say. What is that? Tell us.
All right. So I love calling myself a mom entrepreneur.
Yes.
Hello, I'm a mom.
Yes. Mom of how many kids? Or
Two.
how many
I have 2 children, guys.
really cute boys? Huh?
2 handsome boys. I think instead of me taking dowry to the to the girl's house, it's the girls who will be bringing me dowry. My friend, my boys are cute.
Sure. You look at them over there. Yeah. What are the names of the boys?
Alright.
You can say so. You see?
See, yeah. They are both Chris.
Oh my.
Yeah, they're
Both Chris.
One is
I didn't even have them Chris. A long story short, they are Chris.
Chris. Okay, the first one.
Yeah.
That's a long story.
It's a long
They're
story.
just Chris. Just know they are Chris.
Come on, okay.
So
Now,
one I
and
call
you-
I call one Chief Justice because his name is CJ. And then the second one we call him Commander in Chief because it is CC. So his first name is starts with C, the second name starts
C.
with C. So it is Commander in Chief. So I have Commander in Chief and I have Chief Justice.
Amazing. How amazing is that? Now, are you married? Because they will tell you ask. Now, listen.
Am I married? Guys, what do you think?
Come on.
Well, yes, I am married. Oh my gosh, to one husband. Where?
Oh.
Inakwanga important.
Oh,
I
one
forgot.
husband. Oh.
One husband.
Where's
'Cause
the
I-
ring? Let me.
So-
Sorry. Okay, never mind.
But never mind. Okay, I don't wear my ring because it affects my skin. I react to it.
Yeah.
I've changed a couple, by the way. I think I've changed like 4 or 5. And then I was like, you know what? It's okay, I'm married.
Amazing. Coming back again. Now,
Yes.
she says she's a freelancer and she can say what she does. Article writing, transcription, captioning. Now, tell us, you do all of it.
Yes, I'm a jack of all trades, guys.
Wow.
So I transcribe,
Yes,
I caption,
yes,
I write,
yes.
I do affiliate marketing, and I
Wow.
design.
Amazing.
So yeah. So I am an advocate of when you venture into online business,
Yes.
don't just confine yourself in doing one thing.
So you diversify.
Spread. Learn your strengths. You know, if you realize my strength is in marketing, ask yourself, what can I do to generate money
Yeah,
this
sure,
side?
sure.
So learn your strengths and diversify. Every day, make every day a learning time for you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So I transcribe. That is transcription,
Yeah.
captioning or subtitling, then article creation, and then social media marketing. Oh, I forgot that. And then we have lastly affiliate marketing. So yeah, I
So-
do this.
Listen, guys, whatever she's going to say about now, what she has listed down is important. Keep keen, take a pen and write this. Now, babe, where do you get your clients, and do you have long-term clients whom you have been working for? And what did you start first? Yeah. doing
Where I
this?
started, oh my god, guys.
When did you start in your channel?
So I started this online job
Yeah.
or work
Yeah.
in 2014.
Yeah.
2014.
Oh, long time.
Yeah,
How
then
many
I-
years now?
Nine.
Literally. Huh? How many?
2014.
Seven years.
My math is bad.
Around 7 years. around 7 years, literally. Okay.
Yeah, it's been. Then I stopped, of course, because of pregnancy and stuff.
Oh yeah. we
Then I
just
now
lived,
picked
yeah.
officially in
So-
2016.
So which level can we rate you at as a freelancer?
Guys, I'm just a humble servant of God. But I would say I'm good at what I do. That's what I would say.
That's what you were saying.
I'm pretty confident at what I do. And that is why, like, currently, where I am in life right now, in my career, you know, there are certain rates that if you approach me with, I'll be like, I'm sorry,
Yeah.
no thank you.
You know your words. That's what you mean.
Exactly. I've gotten to a point whereby I know my what.
Amazing.
Yes.
Know your what.
Know your what.
Wow. Also, write this. What's transcription?
All right. Oh, so I will quickly define these
Yes.
5 things that I do. So basically, transcription is whereby you're given an audio. It could be this video.
Yeah, sure.
It could be a video. It could be an audio. It could be a podcast. It could be a seminar. It could be a business meeting. Like, so long as there's people
Court,
speaking,
yeah.
court hearings, proceedings, and all that. So I take that audio and I convert it into written format.
To what format? No, yeah.
To written format. I mean, there's French transcription. There is all these other languages.
Sure.
Okay. So, and then another thing, if you don't have strength in English, maybe you're not coming from a native English-speaking country,
yeah,
you can do. We've seen people do Bengali transcription, Danish transcription. So just realize there's potential, guys. There's potential.
Sure.
Yes.
So how are you paid to do, let's say, transcription, as you have said?
All right. So most companies online, they pay per audio minute or per audio hour. Guys, now a lot of people get confused. For example, this video is right now, it is at 4 minutes and 37 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's just round it off. It is at 5 minutes.
Yeah,
So
sure.
if a client tells you that I'll pay you, let's say 50 cents USD for every minute you do,
That's correct, yeah.
so you would take that 50 cents and multiply with the 5 minutes. So that means you would have earned $20. Right? That's $20.
25 somewhere there. Yeah, 20.
That's 20.
Yeah,
No,
sure.
25.
Yeah.
You would have earned $25. Regardless whether this work took you 2 hours.
Yeah.
So we are not taking the 50 cents multiplying by the 60 minutes
The
we took.
hours you used to work, no. The
It is
hours
per audio minute.
the audio provided.
So if the audio is 40 minutes long, I will multiply 40 by the 50 cents USD.
Sure.
So
Now
that
you
means,
get it.
yes, so very important. It is per audio minute or per audio hour. Someone will tell you I'll pay you $36 per audio hour. So if that audio is, let's say, 121 minutes, that means it is 2 hours long.
Oh, yeah.
And if they're
It can
paying
take
you
1 day to transcribe it.
yeah, and if they're paying you $1, that means you would have earned $12. $120. $120.
Yeah, that is basically
Yes.
12,000 or more.
Or more,
Yeah,
depending
with the
with
conversion rate.
exactly, depending with the conversion rate. So very, very important, guys. Yeah.
Okay, so why do you do freelancing?
Why do I do freelancing? Because it gives me the freedom. First of all, I didn't tell you this. I am a very bossy person. I have a very bossy personality where I don't like being bossed.
Easy.
I don't like someone who comes after me and tells me, oh, why are you not doing this? Why are you on your phone? Why? I love my freedom. Girl loves her freedom. So one thing that actually pushed me towards freelancing was the freedom. And then secondly, currently in Kenya, finding employment is hard.
Really tough. It's work to find work.
Yes, so I had to go the extra mile and get out of my comfort zone and just get it going. So that's how I got to venture into freelancing. But the best part is I'm doing it and I love it because of the freedom.
Wow.
Freedom. It's that freedom, guys. You see, when it's raining heavily and you have to go to work, I am just in my blanket with my laptop and I'm just working.
Wow.
Yeah.
So to be a freelancer, what's the qualification? Should you have a degree, or what? What's the qualification?
Well, there are some sites that require you to have certain qualifications, but there are sites that really don't require.
Wow.
Okay. For example, transcription, you really don't need to have a bachelor's degree of art and whatnot. No. What you need to have, I'm going to just measure on transcription. I don't know about other sites or other types of jobs. So transcription, you really don't need to have the papers. Your English has to be good, guys. See, my English is good. All right, so you have to have good English, good command of English. Because basically we are going to be transcribing, we are going to be writing
in English. Yes.
So you have to know how to appropriately punctuate, how to appropriately spell something.
So how do you differentiate about not British and what do you call this?
American English.
American English and British. How do you differentiate
It's
that?
so easy. For us in Kenya, we were taught we were taught the British English.
Yeah.
So this is how I actually I remember, because there are favor and favor. So I would remember, how did we used to write it back then?
Yeah.
So when the client tells me it is American English, I'm like, and then guys, an easier way, instead of stressing yourself, when you're typing on Word, there's a way you can put, you can put the settings and just say the English should be in American English or the UK English.
That's amazing. So simple. Now, what are the tools of freelancing?
Tools of freelancing.
If I say I want to start freelancing, what should I have? You've said English, that's the key, yes. It doesn't matter if you are graduate or what,
Alright, so the first thing, guys, you have to I'm gonna stick with English, guys. Because now the reason why English is important across all platforms, and it's both oral English and written. Why? Because at some point you will need to converse with the client. Okay? So if your English is wanting, you are likely not to be hired.
No, don't say you are not likely to be hired. God, you dare me. I have not been hired to say that, but you dare me also offers courses, so you polish yourself.
Yes, polish your English. So that is one thing. Secondly, you will need, of course, a computer. It could be a desktop, it could be a laptop. Then you need stable internet connection. You don't have to start big. You need to start with Wi-Fi. No, some of us started small. I remember back then I used to buy bundles for 50 bob, Telcom, and it would serve me. Sorry. So you have to have a desktop.